Today we are trying out this LED Footwell Lights, which probably came out during the early Fast and Furious days. While some say it's RICE, which basically means race-inspired cosmetic enhancement, but I really think it doesn't fit the description. It's really far from racy and being a cosmetic. You can probably say it's ew, yuck, or corny, but the only way to find out is just to try it on. Let's get it. So I got this plug and play type, the one that everybody loves doing, and something that I can easily work with. I got them online, doesn't have a brand, well, really doesn't matter. So what's in the package are these LED footwell lights with two long wires and two short wires connected to it, a power adapter, a remote control, and the remote control sensor. So for most cars, you'll have your power source or cigarette lighter outlet right here. So just plug in your power adapter. Now if this remote sensor is too short and you can't find a place to hide it, just get one of these power outlet extensions. So you can hide that sensor elsewhere and you'll have more outlets for other gadgets. I really don't want wires showing up at my center console. I just wanted to keep that place neat. Good thing there's another outlet in here, right inside the center armrest. A perfect way to hide that sensor box, those wires and the remote. Let's plug this adapter, then throw in the rest. Lay in one short and long wire on the left side, and do the same on the right side. Looks perfect. This wire complements the color of the seat, so it's not gonna get noticed. So two long wires for the front, and for the back we use the short ones. So I'm gonna do the driver's side first. So get your LED light and smack it to any metal or plastic surface down there. You can now easily tuck in this wire under this center plastic cover. stop your wires from getting to those railings, you wouldn't want them to get squished while you're rolling your seats. And for the excess wire, you can just roll them up, tape them, and tuck it back in. So we're done. Enough of that. You know, there are certain things that kept me from getting one of these. First is having the idea that the car is a Christmas light show, or that feel that I'm trying to get some attention, and also an over exaggerated car modification. But hey, I got it all wrong, and since I tried one of these, oh man, I am loving it. I'm not gonna lie. So here are the reasons why I consider this an amazing mod. First and foremost, it's not what you think. It's far different than an underglow, and your car's not gonna look like a spaceship that just landed on Earth. Say why? Cause you don't get your doors open while your car's running. These lights are basically for your own personal satisfaction. So for the most part, it's only you and the one who's riding are the ones who's gonna see it. Unless you're the type like, hey bro, check out my new Footwell Lights bro, it's dope. If you're the type who loves flexing, you can wait till nighttime and have all those doors opened on a parking area that everyone may see. Now if you're in a car show and you wanna get noticed, where most are race cars and you got a mom's looking car, don't worry, these lights are gonna do the trick. It'll probably get a few heads turning. Second reason why I'm loving this thing is because of the multicolored option. You can choose from different colors to suit your car's theme. And you can also go for the transition and blinking mode. Well, that thing I really am not into. So I really was in it for the ice blue. But since I found this white with a hint of blue, man, it looks classy. So you can also dim it out to suit your taste. Do you know that seeing too much bright can penetrate your hearing waves, making it look loud? Anyway, having different colors can always set up the mood. Just go for that deep red and you'll surely turn on a girl, just like, hey babe, is it getting hot in here or is it just May? You sick or something? Air conditioning just doing fine. And what's with that freaky voice? You back to smoking weed? Or you can use this green. Hey babe, check this out. This thing gonna make you look fresh. Fresh? Just because I wear open shoes and I got big feet and short toes makes you want to expose them to that green light? Who do you think I am? The Hulk? You know, sometimes I just go tripping after all that talk and nobody watches nor subscribes. It's kinda sad. But if you've come this far, man, you are lucky to be one of the chosen few to witness the best modifications ever to set forth in the planet. Blah, 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 blah. So now, the third and final reason that makes this an amazing mod is dan da da da. It's a cheap buy, and you'll never go wrong with that. And why? It's not gonna hurt your pocket. And if you get tired of those lights and you want to get back to those cave light black, well, then simply press the off button. Right? Just imagine how something inexpensive can make amazing results. And lastly, I think that it's something that you just might like. But it's more than that. It's the experience. Experience? Who you kidding? You think you can pick up chicks just because of some stupid light? You can't even take your date to a fancy dinner. You always go for that buy one, take one burger at Burger King. And they don't even come with fries.